Hey everyone, this is Richard again here today. I'm driving in a 2015. This is a Dodge Grand Caravan, and this particular one, white with a dark charcoal gray interior cloth with 113,000 miles on it. Again, 2015, so not bad on the miles, but been driving around a little bit. And as always, we do these videos so that we can be totally transparent with you. Just point out the things about a vehicle that you may or may not like. Give you enough information that you know, bottom line, whether it's worth coming to take a look at a vehicle. And we're here to point out the features, the benefits, things that maybe we would want to be aware of if we were coming to take a look at a vehicle. We don't want to be wasting anybody's time. We want to give you enough information that you'll know, pretty much whether to keep it on your radar as something to come and look at or not. Nowadays, with the way everything goes online, it's kind of complicated, and I hear a lot of horror stories, not good experiences. People go to look at something, nothing like what their pictures may state, whatever. We want to do that kind of the opposite and be as transparent as possible. But anyway, enough said there. Real quick, I'm leaving it running, a little hot outside still, but while it's running, we're going to point out a few features, and then we're going to get out, take a look at it a little closer. So pretty simple setup here. I mean, it's got a nice sound system to it, and it does do the MP3s and whatnot, CDs and everything. And then down below your setup, you got controls for left and right, as well as rear AC, heat, very functional, and a nice clean setup down below here. These all open up, and on the dash, pretty simple, clean, to me a nice layout, very easy to read everything. On the steering wheel, you got controls for all of your radio, stereo left here, and then on the right you've got all your cruise control and whatnot. So pretty simple. Leaving it running, and we're gonna take a little closer look at everything. But dash, good shape, no cracks, no tears, nothing seems to be warped or anything from the heat. Good there. Driver's door looks like it's in good shape. Floorboard's a little dirty from people getting in and out, but the carpets underneath are in good shape. It does have a plastic protecting over the floor there. Seats are in good shape. Looks like they'd use a little bit of a wipe down and clean up again. It does have a power seat with a lower back lumbar support on the driver's side there. It's a non-smoker vehicle, so there's no smoke smells, no holes in anything. The headliner is in really good shape all the way back, but we're going to take a closer look at that through the other doors. And then on this side, you do have a power door, and that should work from the key fob itself as well. Really cool thing about the Dodge Chryslers, if you don't know much about those, is under these right here, you've got the stow and go type of a seating. These captain seats here will roll up and go down into the floor up here, so pretty cool option. Backs of the seats look like they're in good shape. Again, need a little bit of wipe down. The reason we show these videos at this stage of the game too is we want to make sure that the mechanics of the vehicle have been done, has gone through service, and those things that might need fixed that we can find, just get those done. That sometimes we get them cleaned up, and if they get a little bit dirty again, we want to still do the videos even though that's there, so that we can get them loaded up and online for you. So got a little button here to close the door. That one works good. I'm going to close this front door for a second. Take a look in the back. If I could have done this with a key fob as well, in the back it does have a power tailgate, and then these seats do fold down into the floor. So you got 3 seats in the back, 2 in the middle, 2 in the front. And that gives you some room to kind of walk through there if you need to for your type of family arrangement. And then on the tailgate, you got a button right here to push, and then it'll beep first and then closes for you. So pretty awesome that works. And passenger side, let's see if this one's, yep, it's also a power door. Just pull on the handle, it'll open that way. As well as there's a button right here on the A pillar there. So in good shape all the way around. The back seats, let's take a look at those. A little bit dark in here, but we're parked in the shade. Look like they're in good shape. There's no holes, no tears. Again, there's some little things to maybe wipe down a bit. That looks good. And then passenger side, door looks in good shape. Seats are in good shape. So overall, interior-wise, I'd say is in very good condition. I'm sure there's minor flaws here and there, but not bad. For the year, really good. And taking a look at the outside of it, we're going to go around the whole thing, but just kind of starting right up here. And we're looking for just major issues. I mean, you're going to have like hairline scratches and things like that on any vehicle, but I'm not seeing any real, paint or body damage. I got a little tiny door ding right there, but overall really in good shape. And we're gonna take a look at the tires. They literally look almost brand new, so very good condition there. We're gonna go look at the other ones to make sure that their condition is. You do notice that there's a roof rack on the top, and got a little bit of a, oh, that's just a leaf. Little paint scuff there, but that's minor. And then going down this side, again, looks pretty darn good. No big dents or dings anywhere. And let me back up real quick. Tire on this side, darn close to new. That's a nice Michelin tire there, and a Michelin tire here. So can't do better than that. Probably the highest quality tires made on the road at the moment. Very, very good condition there. And then on the front, some minor paint issues, a little bit of touch-up if needed, but overall excellent condition. If you need help with financing, we've got really good connections with all of the credit unions anywhere close by, as well as statewide and nationally. Give us a call, 435-215-7362. Talk to Chris on financing. Feel free to give me a call or text me direct at 435-773-2022 if you have questions on vehicles or anything else that we can help you out with. Appreciate you watching the videos. Hope you have an awesome day.